belong to. I'll stay by your side. Together make the mountains move. Together make the mountains. For you, I'll be the one, someone to believe in. For you, I'll be the one, you know I believe in. You know I believe in. I'll lean into you. You know I believe in. I'll lean into you, and you can lean on me too. 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 I didn't mean to miss you like I do, but I can't get over you. Everything I see turns to blue. Oh, I wish it wasn't true, but I see your name in the pouring rain. Yeah, I see you all the time, like you're haunting me, and I'm on my knees and I'm begging for a sign. Do I leave your love behind? Do I leave you now? Do I leave your love behind? Do I leave you Maybe this pain is way too deep. Hurts to be awake, I'd rather sleep. Left me all alone, or so it seems. Now I only hold you in my dreams, but you echo through everything I do. I can feel your hurt in mine, and I feel it break every step I take up this mountain I can't climb. Do I leave your love behind? Do I leave you now? Do I leave your love behind? Do I
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
What's going on, everybody? Happy Thursday. It is Thursday, right? And I know it's May 1st. Yes, Thursday. Happy Thursday. I got people in the waiting room here. Give me some twos in the chat. Give me some twos in the chat on YouTube and on Zoom if you guys can hear me clearly. Excellent. Good morning. Good morning. We got 2 minutes and 14 seconds before this market opens up here. Good morning, you guys. Happy May 1st. What's up, Jazzy J, George? I know, George, I know you're a happy man this morning. What up, Arnie, Amy, Jimmy P? What up, Blue, Trish? Good morning, y'all. What's happening? How we doing? More people coming in the waiting room. Got twos coming on YouTube as well. What's up, Lars? What's up, Jalen? Excellent. All right, fam. Let's address this market. We have about a minute 44 before the market opens here. News-wise, first, we had news at 8:30. I didn't even notice. 8:30 candle. Oh, okay, I guess a little wick down there at the bottom. What was that? Unemployment claims. All right, so we got 8:30 news done. We have 9:45 yellow, and we have a red and orange folder at 10 a.m. Excellent. Stalemate. We're in a stalemate right now. Top right. If anybody brand new, maybe watching, we're not in alignment for anything. We need all three of these colors to be on the same, all the three of those colors to be the same, red, 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 or blue, blue, blue. Since we had red, purple, purple, we're going to be sitting on our hands waiting for alignment to come. What's up, Christine? What's up, Sharif? And let's look at the 5-minute real quick. More people in the waiting room here. Uh-oh. Cha-ching. Hold on a second. Let me just approve this real quick. Done. All right. I know, right? How quick was that, Christine? Approved. Anyway, 5-minute. Let's see. Volume is all right. We need the trend. Oops. We need the trend and the volume. We need the trend. We need the trend if we're gonna drop here. I mean, we're so close to this daily target. I wouldn't be surprised if the market just ran up there real quick, but we're not in alignment for buys, so. Oh, good there. Looks like we got the volume. So on the 5 and the 3, it's the trend that we need. And on the 1 is in alignment barely for sale. So this all looks pretty whack. Let's just sit back and see what happens. So we're not in alignment for anything anyway. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this market just reached up here to this daily target right out the gate. What's up, Amy? I'm back and now all is good. Excellent. So we'll see what happens here. What's up, Tabitha? Let's just take a quick peek higher time frame real quick. Another one. Let's take a quick peek higher time frame because this monthly candle opened up pretty big. So here's some daily targets here. If we do flip over to the sell side, I have this right here as a daily target around 819,692 because that's where we kind of just skipped straight up here to we opened up at 835. So I have that as a daily target. Obviously, we have the one that we could go touch here at 20,045. So we'll see which way we pick. It's the first. We got news at 10, so maybe sitting back and waiting for a little bit. Nice time for a Q&A since we got nothing going on. If anybody has questions on anything, other than that, I'm just gonna watch the structure here and see what unfolds. New month. I don't know if TopOne extended anything. I guess I can look at that real quick to see. I didn't see anything about extensions. We know how sometimes companies don't actually turn off the sales. Let's see. Let's see. Instant sum funded. Continue. I see the anytime payouts is still good. Put my code in, HTC. Hey, 50% off is still going on. I don't know for how long. I haven't heard any official announcement, but if you put in that coupon code HDC, Hyperdrive Community HDC, it's still showing 50% off. And anytime payouts is free as well. So that's nice. That's nice to know. All right. What's happening here? Nice. Amy says, I bought a second 100K last night. It was only 314. Well, last night, technically, it was still going on. This morning, it should have been when it cut off. Maybe not your last night. I think you're over the pond. As they say. But yeah, it looks like it's still 50% off. I don't know when they're going to pull that away, but take advantage of it if you want. Are you copy trading on TopOne? Yeah. Yeah. You got multiple accounts. You can copy trade. If you're familiar with the Top Step X platform, it's the exact same thing, but you can copy trade on TopOne as well. You can do all that the same. So it's called Project X is the platform that both of them use. Same platform. So far this is a 1 minute chart. And we're kind of getting a bullish delivery here, not in alignment for anything. 3 minute, 5 minute, it's the trend that's holding us back. Ooh, the 3 minute may flip here 2 minutes ago. How far do we got to get on the 5? We actually came down here and wicked right off of the trend level here at 913 on the 5 minute. Three minute. I'm gonna watch the 3 minute, see if we get an alignment here on the 3, and then we'll just be waiting on the 5. We got a minute 15 left in this 3 minute candle. What are you using as a trade copier with TopOne? It doesn't show where you can select the slave account. That's wild. It's literally right in the settings. It's the first tab. It says copy trading, and then you just select your lead account, And then you select your follower account. Yeah. I never heard that before. Oh, okay. I actually never heard that before. That's new to me. That's wild. That's wild. Yeah, follower account on Apex. Says approved. Email sent. Excellent. Okay, excellent. You should receive it then.
You've got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me.
I used to use social trader too all the time. I actually I never realized that. Never really paid attention. All right. Oh, Juan's in the waiting room here. All right, we did flip the 3, but now we're going bullish engulfing candle back upside. 5 minute again is still what we're waiting on if we're gonna go to sell side here. We got 20 minutes, 22 minutes before this news comes out. We do have a yellow folder in about 7. So we'll see. Right now we're leaning more towards the sell side. Volume is picking up on all the time frames. 1 minute is kind of funky, but structurally it looks good. Retrace and smack off the J4 on the 3. It's possible. Quite possible. I mean, it has a nice little rollover area here. That looks pretty clean for just a nice falling knife there. Let's see if we can get this 5 minute, though. We can work our way up in here. We got 45 seconds left, and we're right there. 45 seconds left, and we're right there on the 5 minute to maybe flip it. Let's see if we do, and if we do, we either need to close below 900 or pull back up to 20,000. $15 seconds. Beautiful. All right, we're in alignment on all time frames. We got 1 minute and 55 seconds left in this 3 minute candle. So if it closes below 900, I'll look to get in there. If it doesn't close below 900, I'm looking for a pullback all the way up to 20,000, which looks nice too. There's a imbalance left up there. So we'll see what happens. We got news in 5 minutes, yellow folder news in 5 minutes. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, my bad. I didn't even see 950 because of this purple box. My bad. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, we can take 950. I'm like, that did feel weird saying it. I was like 900 to 20,000. Yeah, completely left out a number there. My bad. I was just making sure you guys are paying attention. There's a little pop quiz. You guys passed. We can take 950 if it pulls back to 950. We got 40 seconds left in this candle. We're below 900 at the moment. 20 seconds to go. We're playing around it. And we are closing just above it, a hair above it. So we're going to wait. HDL there. I do have 950 set up for a sell limit. Minute 25, we're playing around 900 again. Got a minute to go here. I'm gonna look at this on the 1 minute candle. You have to go to your dashboard, Trish, and sign your contract. So go to what's it called? Your dashboard on TopOne, portal.toponefutures.com, and then go to, if it doesn't prompt you right away, go make sure you did it. It's not registering for some reason. Go to the contract section in there and just make sure it says signed. All right, we're getting close to 950 here. Oh, look at that J4 sitting. Oh, that's the 1 minute chart. Getting close to 950 entry. Bullish engulfing candle coming back up on the 3, getting close to this 950 entry. What's up, Paul? Oh, what? All right, I'm in now. I was like, what the heck was that phantom touch? All right, I'm in at the 950 entry. Let's see, seller stepping back in here would be nice. We have yellow folder news is happening right now. Yellow folder just came out. Oops. Pushing up pretty hard here. Bro, come on, sellers, roll over. All right, I'm out on that one. First trade lost there. See what happens. This is really good pullback. I think we might have got wicked out. $20,000 is an option for me. I'll definitely take 20,000. We did not close above. Hesitating right now around the 975 area. All right, there it goes. Pushing up now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? My options right now are second trade from 20,000, or if we close back below 950. Right now we have not closed above 975. Possibly was wicking us out here. Rejecting now. Let's see if that continues. Still got a minute left in this candle. More importantly, we got red photo news at 10. It's a really good pullback so far. It's playing nicely in the structure. It's probably around the 886 on the retracement. Yeah. Let's see if that continues to push down. 40 seconds left. All right, closed above it now. Okay, let's see if 20,000 gets hit. I'll be in there if it does. As long as the 1 minute, I'm gonna check the 1 minute after I make sure this sell limit is set. Let me just make sure the 1 minute's good there. Yeah, from a trend perspective, we'll be all right. Volume, yeah, the volume is getting a little weaker there, but it still should be red. Could be red. We shall see. Yes, I have a sale limit set at 20,000 right now. We're getting some hard rejection off of this area right now, so we'll see. We are tapping into this imbalance on the 3. Might get put in here. There's a lot of bullishness up in here. 5-minute J4. Yeah, we're right above it. What was this? London low. Looks like we might have just swept the London lows and maybe heading up here. I'm gonna take this anyway, obviously, but I can see a case for the buyer stepping in here. If we get back below 950, I'll take a second shot from there, but I got a sale limit set at 20,000. It looks like it just missed me by 2 points. $2. The thing about it is, like, this daily target is so close up here at the top. Like I said, I could see it going to grab it. So it reminds me of yesterday's conversation. Losing that first trade, letting that second trade rip, no hesitation. Winning that first trade, letting that second trade hesitate. We got news in 6.5 minutes. What's up, Ken? We got 7 seconds left in this candle, and we are below 9, above. We closed just above it, no sale there. That was a bearish engulfing candle though, so we'll see if it continues. We did close just above that 950 area, so the no sale limit there, no sale from there yet. I am seeing, hopefully we can get here, get a touch, minimum get break even, maybe come back down into this 50 pointer. So I'm taking 20,000, but I see a lot of things happening for the buyers right now. We can close below 950. I'm in. 225 left in this candle though. Hopefully it doesn't run away from us. Bearish engulfing should continue. It is continuing at the moment. All right, what's that? 3-minute chart. Cool. 30 seconds left in this candle where it looks like we're going to be closing below 950 here. So I will replay that entry. I will replay that 950 entry. if we get this to pull back. Bearish engulfing continuation. I'm sliding my sell limit down to 950 right now. And we got news in 3 minutes. Runaway Bride right now, 1 minute 37 seconds. I'll take 900 if you close below it. Yeah, you know how she does sometimes. I would have closed this out anyway, though. You know, it would have been a little bit bigger of a loss, but I'm still monitoring that. This right here is the more thing about being rude. Like, it literally closed 950.25. Like, you couldn't have closed at 949.75. That would have been a fire re-entry. Got a minute to go. If this is going to continue going down, it should get to this at 19,800 level. So I'm not too worried if from an extension perspective. I just, you know, whatever happens. We got news coming up literally in 48 seconds. Could get wicked in here at 950. It has not retested after officially closing. We are supporting again for the third time off of the 900 level. We're going to be at the mercy of the market here. I'm going to keep my sell limit on there and see what happens. We got 30 seconds though. We are below 900. Might market execution if we need to. We might not have a chance to do sell limit here. So if we close below, I'll be ready to enter if we get the pullback. Be patient on it though. We never know what these 10 o'clock news could do. So let's try to get a pullback on this entry if it closes below. We're below it right now. 8 seconds. 6. Oh, wow. All right. Definitely closing below. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Literally, my stuff's frozen. I haven't pressed the button yet. Wow. I thought maybe it was gonna come and grab us at 950. Oh my gosh, it wicked it, and on my chart it literally shows it touched 950, but I'm not in the trade. On TopOne it shows that it touched 950. On the chart it does not show that it touched 950. What the heck? Now it's saying it got filled. What is happening right now? Now mine just said it got filled, but nothing's happened. Oh, maybe it was a reconnecting message. Top that put me in, TopOne didn't. 140 point profit by freezing. Nice. Wow. Let's go. I'm glad some of you guys got in off TopOne. Literally, I'm telling you guys, it literally kissed it. It literally kissed it. Literally kissed it. Top one put me in and closed my trade at 65 points. Hey, take it. My chart shows it only got to 941, but on my broker it shows that it kissed it. All good. Probably gonna enter in here in a second though. We got 40 seconds left in this candle. Yeah, you guys got in there. Did you get in on this, Trish? If you guys got in on that, then yeah, take your profits and go. If this closes below 900, I'm gonna take it. Put your points in the chat if you got in on that crazy wick. Did not close below 900, so I still got 950 here. See if it comes up and gets me. I'm not gonna chase it. It's the one thing I'm not gonna do. They don't like us, Juan. Let everybody else in the family eat today. We just cooked. We ain't getting no plate. We just cooked. Let's go. First day, major daily profit target. Let's go. 1585. I love it. You're locked out automatically. Yeah, it did happen fast. That's what she said. Top one plus 100. Good stuff. So now where do I see your points? Well, you did 1500, so you made, I think I set you up, I think you just made 75 points on that. 1500 times 3 on top one. Good stuff, Ken. Good day. I think your 1500 is equal to 75 points. Oh, I just missed the tap the trade. Yeah, because you're doing, remind me how many contracts I got you doing? 10? Excuse me. I don't have you doing. I suggested that you do 10. Yeah, so that's 75 points. So you got 10. You're doing 10 on MNQ. So 10 times 2 is 20. 20, and then 1500 divided by $20 equals what you made. 75 points. So 75 times. You get it? Or 750 times 2, 1500. 75 times 20, 1500. Good job. Well, 1% down, 4 to go. I'm glad you guys ate. I'm down 25 points. It looks like I might get this. I'm not even really a huge fan of it anymore, but I'm gonna take it anyway. I'm assuming that it's coming to actually put the wick in that it phantomed on our brokers. So let's see if I get touched. Let's see if I get touched. I have not been touched yet. This is so weird. It literally shows now that it went to 950, but on here it only went to 948. What the heck is happening right now? There we go. All right, I'm in now. Now don't do all this BS and just actually buy up here. Drop it like it's hot. Right. That's what I was thinking it was coming back up because TradingView didn't show it yet. So a lot of times it's like having a gap in the market. Like different brokers receive different information sometimes, especially during that like news type of thing. We hit 25 points pretty quick. Kind of don't want to go break even on this, but it is what it is. I'm going to break even on it. I'm at BE on this trade. Come on, fall through. Yeah, so what I was saying is like sometimes they correct those type of things. We're 40 points, I'm sorry, 30 points in profit right now, back to 25. All right, I'm gonna be quiet. You know what? Actually, one thing I'm gonna do here. Might trail this. We're 40 points in profit. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in 10. And oh, I should have moved my TP first. All right, never mind. I'm out. All right, I'm out. All right, plus 50 there. TP again on that one for you guys. TP for me, first time for today. I was gonna trail that, but all good. I'll take the 50, and I'll take the quick session too. Start off the month. Plus 25 for the day. So yeah, I think that's it. I think that's gonna be it. Bam. So I'm locking out. I got a feeling it's gonna run. If you are still in this, the target I was gonna attempt. I probably wouldn't have made it all the way through unless it was gonna just drop heavily. But what I was gonna attempt to go to was the 618, and I probably would have needed to close it a little early based on the 20% consistency rule. At least on top one. On top step, I could have held it. But anyway, I ain't mad at it. Those of you guys watching on YouTube, can we get some likes on the stream? That'd be awesome. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Juan is trailing. Adrian, 12,000 times 3. TP on both and done. Grandkids calling. TP on TS. Excellent. Break through this level and I think she'll fall. Close below 900 and I think she'll go. I wish 1200 though. What did I say? 1200 times 3 on TO, 300 times 3 on TS. Nice. Good stuff. TO, I'm assuming TO is TP, like TopOne. Oh yeah, TopOne, duh. Sorry. That was slow. You said 12K? Oh, did I say 12K? Oh, my bad. 1200. We'll get the 12K days, don't worry. And it'll be with the same process you did today. Nothing changes. Just you'll have more money to trade with. 50 seconds. Looks like we're going to close below 900 here. Yeah, I want to see something cool I just found out about. Only thing that the consistency rule has gone up. What do you mean by that? What is your biggest day for one account? And you're on a 150K account or 100K account? That part really doesn't matter, but just curious. All right, you're good then. Regardless. So 1,200, if that's your biggest day, divide that by 20%. So you have to make $6,000, but that's fine because you have to make some. Well, actually, no, you don't have to because you had the old rules. But anyway, my suggestion is to grow at 5% anyway. So at least 5 or 6%. So you'll be fine. So on a $1,500 account, you want to get it just 7,500. So your biggest day being 1,200 means that you just need to have $156,000 in your account. But I wouldn't withdraw there personally. Oh, what I found out. Check this out. Let's see if I can open this. I might just post it in the Telegram group because I don't think I can open it. This is really cool. Oh, I don't know why it says buy though. That's wrong. Definitely didn't buy. Check that out. I just posted that in you can grab these like flyers of your trades off of on TopOne. The only thing I don't understand is why it says buy. It should say sell. Show didn't buy that thing. So on your dashboard on TopOne Futures, if you guys go there and you scroll down, you'll see your order history. And if you scroll over to the right, it says share. And it has these cool certificates that you can go trade by trade with. And they have themes. So that's one theme, is that like purple thing. Waiting to 160K. Yeah, perfect. You'll be fine then. Your large, like even if you set, George, even if you set yours up to 1,500, your max is 1,500, you'll still fine because 1,500 divided by 20% is 7,500, I believe. Yeah, 7,500. So you wanting to get 10,000, you'll be fine. So anywhere, so if you want to withdraw at 10, the most that you want to make in a day is $2,000. Just put it that way. If you make $2,000, then you have maxed your 10K. You know what I mean? So, because 2,000 divided by 20% is 10,000. So that's the most you want to make in a day. Yeah, only thing about that, I don't know why it says buy, because we definitely sold. We did sell, right? Yeah, we definitely sold. Actually, all of these orders say buy. Interesting. Well, yeah. It is the day, right? Not per trade. The day. Yes, the day. Yeah, the day. The day. Well, now that I look back, I'm glad I didn't trail. How do you see it? So go into your dashboard. So back to where you were to make sure that you did the certificate. So go to your dashboard, the top tab. It says dashboard. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll see order history. You'll see your open trades, your closed trades, and then for you, it's only going to be one trade because this is your first one. So scroll all the way to the right, and you're going to see an actions tab. You'll just click on share, and you'll see the options for colors. Interesting. All right, we're gonna wrap up here. We're done for the day. We do have news tomorrow. I just closed it, but let me open it back up real quick. We'll be back tomorrow for our last session of the week. We got news at 8:30 NFP day, and then if you're not gonna be here tomorrow, it looks like we'll be right back together on Monday. Monday we have news. We'll plan to Wednesday. We're not gonna trade. Wednesday we got FOMC statement press conference. So well, it looks like we'll be live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday next week, maybe. But anyway, most of you will probably be back tomorrow, so we'll be live tomorrow for sure. You guys all good? Any questions for me before we sign off? Nice job, Lars. I see you TP50 on there. Good stuff. See you tomorrow, George. You're welcome. Of course, Christine. See you, Trish. All right, family. You're welcome, Blue. Y'all have a good Thursday. If there is anything you need from me, I still got to find that. I will find that fib targeting video. I will do that. Yesterday was a pretty busy day, but I'll get that done. I got you. Other than that, if there's anything else you guys need from me, feel free to hit me up on Telegram. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Peace out for now.